Welcome to Sack Mods. Today I've got a vintage 93mm Victorinox Soldier. This one was made in 1982. I've been looking for an 82 for a while, and this one was in such nice condition that I couldn't pass it up. Wanted a 1982 to match my birth year. Let's check out the blade. Everything on this is very nice, clean, no dings. There you can see the 82 stamp on the thing of the blade there. Everything's got nice tension on it. Got the awl here. Got the can opener with the small slotted tip screwdriver. And the large slotted tip screwdriver with the cap lifter. On the underside of these, they've sharpened it. And this is a Victorinox Soldier, so they didn't include the bell on these like the Winger models did. Like I said, this one was in such nice condition I couldn't pass it up. It was a good price too, so that helps. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Helps out a lot. And thank you for watching.